And this Vivian, it can't be say she get luck well, even when give her money, they even pass 10. So she get money anyhow. But her relationship not dey work. Any guy wey be say e come im way na to suck the orange, throw away the pea. Suck the orange, throw away the pea.
With Lady T.
Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you just dey get post for YouTube, or you dey watch, you never subscribe, please consider to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you will just know anytime we put video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. So today matter, we want to talk about family matter, and today's topic now, who to blame. Please, I just want my precious people, my beautiful people, my responsible people to listen to this story to the end, and before you leave your comment, who to blame, because the family wey involved for this matter now, all of them, they will watch this video and they will go the comment section, go see what people talk about this video. So anybody wey know say na they at fault, you go know say na they at fault, then you go apologize to the other person. So the story start like this. I go mention names for here so that we will understand, because it involves some people. So I will call two ladies, one Juliet, while one Vivian. So these two ladies, they be two best of friends. They dey Europe, and the Vivian for inside, it can't be said that one oyibo give her money well. Though Juliet get money, but now Vivian I get money pass, because people when come Europe that 90s now they be that time we be say they not too hustle. They'll just they work out, they go for road, oyibo go call them, go give them money. You know, that time oyibo really they give our ladies money. That time 90s they really they give money. E no be like now when be say if you not marry the buffalo, they stay with the kokoroko kakaraka, they not go give you money. That time they really they give money. And this Vivian, it can't be say she get luck well, even when give her money, they even pass 10. So she get money anyhow. But her relationship not dey work. Any guy when be say he come in way now to suck the orange, throw away the pea. Suck the orange, throw away the pea. Her relationship not dey work. But Juliet can't get luck. It can't be say the one when he just hold, he just married that one, he just did happily. But Vivian will not be like that. So one day Vivian go greet Juliet for house. As he reach house, he see Juliet's pictures. You can now give me pictures. You go greet person, they watch all the pictures. You can see one Juliet brother. Now Vivian say, this your brother, I like him. He don't marry. He can say he never marry. He can say, since he never marry, me, I like this your brother. He can say, okay, I'll talk to my brother. If my brother wants you, I'll let you know. He can call the brother. He can tell the brother, say one of my friends for Europe, say he like you. Then brother can say, he like him. See brother, he get serious relationship for us. So because of this lady way Vivian from abroad now, he can't cut off, he can't end the relationship when he get for house. He can't deal with Vivian. He not say that Vivian carry a come Europe. You know, he carry a come, not be say he go marry her. Come bring paper, come take invite her, come. He use money. That time money dey now. 10k euro. Now he take carry and come for all this trolley. Now understand what I did talk about. So now so he take carry this Juliet brother come. As he come, now Juliet carry brother enter corner. Now he tell her say, I beg my lovely brother, this Vivian way carry you come Europe. So he help our family. Now nice girl, now my best friend. I beg, not disappoint this Vivian. I beg my brother. Then brother cut and say, what if Vivian do for us so he not go ever disappoint her. He must marry her till the end. Make him not worry. He not go disappoint her. So they can't they live happily. So he not take. As he get documents, he can't say they go house for visiting, he can't go house, you know now, men now. He go house, he waka kpurukere for house, he can't be say he can't give one young girl belle, he can't come back to Europe. So the girl come they call and say he get belle or this and this. So he can't say which belle, say I beg, go, he don't marry, he don't want problem. Make he go remove that okra. Make he remove her or make he remove her. So he threatened the girl can't remove her. He can't sit there with this Vivian for house. Yeah, Vivian self, they can't travel go Africa, they can't go do court marriage for Nigeria, they can't still come back, they together. So he can't still go house again by himself. he come still go give another lady again belle. As he come back, that lady come dey call am say he don get belle. The okra wey you plant, e don grow. Now he tell am say that okra you go uproot am because he no just want that okra at all. So this girl now, he come say he no go remove this okra. Say because this okra he no go remove am. Now he come dey threa ten the girl say if you no remove am, you are your own. No be he get am, na this na that. So tey this second guest, so he can't go tell the family. He can't tell them say see oh. Then they can't tell am say since the person will be saying na he get am, he say he no want am. Why you want force yourself? They say the thing paid the girl cry. They say that girl cry because the girl not quick remove am. Last then the girl can go remove am. When he see say nobody support am, then he can go remove the okra. So as he remove that okra, then this our brother come dey talk say since when you and this woman dey, nothing dey happen. Okra never grow. Now you come tell the woman say wetin dey happen since when we dey you never born. Make you go check yourself. The woman will go check herself, go say they'll say pikin go come. Make you go check yourself. The woman will go check herself, go say they say pikin go come. So one day come they look and say ogoro don the whole time don they go pikin never come. They no fit just tell like they come say okay make me and you make we go hospital again, make we go check, make we know wetin really dey happen because he wan get pikin. Now you can't go hospital with this Vivian. As they reach hospital, now doctor come don't say your doctor they not dey lie because na 12 they go. Now your doctor come tell am say that guy the egg say the thing he don pafuka. There is no way wey be say pikin go take dey that place. There is no way. Say it just be like person wey not get at all. Now there this our brother come be like the way so call you. He can't begin to remember the two when be say they don't throw away, when be say he not carry. The thing can't begin to provoke am. So the house can't be unbearable for both of them. Because the man don't say and say he not fit continue to stay like this without say pikin, he not come. Because he like pikin well and he don't throw away too. Say he want keep this marriage. At the end, pikin he not come. Now this our brother. The any small thing they don't begin the quanta for house. Now so this our brother take part come up for house so. He say no do again. As he come out, then Vivian go meet a friend, go say, your brother when he carry come, he don't leave am. Now Juliet begin the verse. Brother, why you go leave my friend now? Or wetin my friend do for you? Why you go leave my friend? It's not real. That's why he take come out. So as he come out, they can't go outside, things come dey hard down, life come dey miserable for am. He no fit dey get anything. He can't go dey do begging for streets. From begging, he no fit dey pay rent again. The house where he rent, he no fit pay the rent again. He can't lose house. If they go dey sleep from one place the other, they waka and na the same city yarn the sister wey be Juliet dey. Now people come call Juliet, you are living fine. Why you not help this your brother? May you put am for house. Now he come talk say he no go help am say because the brother disappoints a friend wey carry am come and he beg the brother say no disappoint this my friend, no here come disappoint am. He don't leave that friend and that friend dey vex for am. So now make him no fit put am for her because he no want make brother be like other people wey they ungrateful. Now they come dey beg am say beg this your brother help am. So when people come beg am say na your brother oh. Now he come go call him brother. Okay brother come. Wetin dey happen? Now brother say he wan carry house first. Me see where they sleep. Then the sister Juliet come to say, he no fit just carry you put for house because now husband house in there. You no fit stay with me for my house. I will go rent house, pay rent for you. Then you go dey live your life, dey work since you get paper. Really, you can't rent house for am. Then you can't see work. You can't dey go the work small work. Not be real work like that. Now those work when you do for some hours, seasonal work, you can't dey do am. From there, this brother come jam another lady. And this lady na person wey be say he go fit born. They go stay for years. Pikin, he no come. Then this brother come dey think and say, okay, now, he no fit born pikin again. Wetin come dey happen wey be say he no fit born? He don sit there with another woman now. Pikin, he no come. So this brother now come dey vex. He say na his sister wey be Juliet na him push am put for this one chance wey he dey because like say he no introduce am to that him friend that time. In life for not dey miserable like this. Now he come dey blame the family wey he encourage am to marry that Vivian. If his sister wey he introduce am to Vivian, he dey blame her. He just call off everybody. e no dey pick anybody call, e no dey talk to anybody, e no dey pick im mama call, e no dey pick im papa call. All dem his sisters wey dey Nigeria, e no dey pick their call. The sister Juliet Papa wey dey the same country, e no dey pick the call. Their relative, nobody just wash all of them comot for family, say e no get family, say e stand alone, say because na im family na dem make am enter this one chance wey e enter. Now e never still born. Okay, with this story wey me don talk so far now, with everything wey me don talk for this matter, wetin you think? Who to blame? Na the sister Juliet wey introduce the brother to this e best friend Vivian, na you go blame? Abi na the Vivian wey be say e carry picture, e see man for picture, e say e like this man, e wan marry this man, e never marry, abeg na your brother go carry am come Europe, e carry am come Europe, e marry am, come carry am come Europe, and she know say she no go fit born, she no talk say she no go fit born, e make this man stay with her. I believe say if e tell Juliet say e no go fit born, I no sure say Juliet go introduce e brother to her. Who you blame? Na the Juliet you blame, or na the Vivian you blame? Abi na the brother wey e be say e get serious girlfriend for Nigeria, e throway am say e see Europe woman, e come at the end no be wetin e price, no be e dey pay for. Na who you go blame? Abi na the same brother wey e be say e go Nigeria 2 times, e go waka kpurukere for Nigeria, wey e be say the two of them, e make okra grow finish, e say e no want the okra again, e say make dem remove okra for am. Who you think say you go blame for this matter? Abi na the family wey e push am, put for inside, say abeg leave that one wey dey house, carry the one wey dey abroad, make enough money dey come. Who you go blame? For this story wey me tell you so far, who you go blame? Because this story for me, e dey complicated. E really dey complicated because I no just know how I want to measure the story, because e get hand, e get leg, e get everything. So my precious people, my beautiful people, when they watch this story now, what do you think? This one now, what just dey happen for family now, and they don't know what to do because the brother just refuse, he block everybody, he just dey alone. Because right now the woman wey still dey with na person wey go fit born pikin, e no come. So wetin you really think about this story wey me don talk so far? Wetin you think? Wetin this our brother go do, or the sister? The Vivian Papa, that one just dey in that one never still born pikin till now. That one just dey alone too, but they do court marriage. So wetin you think? I know say this one a lesson to many people, because before you know say you wan dey with somebody, first look your last relationship, how e be. Because you breaking somebody's heart is somehow, me I just dey talk this one, no everybody get out to their opinion. You breaking someone's heart because of say you just see one Johnny just come, is somehow, if that girl really nice to you, maybe that girl has paid sacrifice for you. You see, maybe supposing if you still look the other way around, this our brother now, this our brother, because now this our brother no be small pikin again now, 53 years a day now, 53 years now a day now, but 53 years fit still born if God permits. If he still born, even 60, 70 fit born if God permits. You see, this our brother, when he say he take those two ladies, say make dem go remove their okra. Now because of say he love this his wife when he carry her come Europe, he no want disappoint her as his sister talk. Because if for say make dey, let's say the lady even open mouth tell am say he no fit born o, maybe this our brother for stay with am. Then those two when be say they tell am say okra grow, if for tell them say okay, mona leave am, I go take care of am. Maybe they for leave am, for they take care of am. Then yeah, this one go still dey. Maybe if for do am, if he know say this Vivian tell am say he no go fit born, maybe if for do am. So, and again, he no wan disappoint his sister. Now make he tell those two ladies say make they go remove their okra, because if his sister can't get to know say okay, you marry my friend finish, you no let my friend born, you go born for outside, maybe sister will come for her. Well, I don't know, you know, everybody get out to his opinion. What do you think about this story when we talk? So which advice you get for this family now? Who to blame? and which advice you get for this family now, because everybody, both the sister Juliet, both the brother wey involve, e go see this video. But I don't know whether sister Vivian go see am. Maybe if fit still see am, but who to blame? Please just leave your comment there to encourage everybody, then they will know what to do. So now the story of today be, abeg, if you watch this video, share this video. Don't be stingy with this video. And if you have not hit that red subscribe button, please consider to hit it now and click the notification bell so you go dey hear our tori for here. Abeg, that like button, make you press am. That finger wey you say press am, up for you, backward never for you. Please don't be stingy with this video, because somebody will learn from this video and e go see touch life. We are not here to say a story, we are here to say a story that will touch life, that will change life. And any word I use for here, maybe say I not talk well, throw away the word, take me enter house. That's why I'm your sister, I'm your friend, I'm your girl. Anywhere you call me, I did there for you. So thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you all. As you leave your comment down there, we will still table this matter for our Telegram group. For our Telegram group, my precious people, I beg, the door don't lock for now. We'll not dey take people. Maybe when the door will open again, I go announce am, because when we dey inside, we wan first systemize ourselves first, because people don many. So anyhow, I go dey let una dey know the update. But definitely we'll see shook our mouth put for the Telegram group. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams.